Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. So today we'll be harvesting mulberry. And guys, did you know these berries contain a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol? This helps the body to age slowly. And it also prevents wrinkles and help to promote longevity. So you guys can do your research on mulberry. It is very beneficial to the body. It helps lower your blood sugar. So if you're struggling with diabetes or anything like that, mulberry is a good thing to add to your diet. Also, did you guys know that mulberry is loaded with vitamin C and K? And it is packed with fiber, protein, and iron. So go out there and get a mulberry tree. And these mulberry tree can grow in container because I have one in my backyard right now. So this mulberry tree, it is at one of my condo right next door. So this is my neighbor's tree. And it's been here for 10 years. I bought this condo in 2015. So it's a long time she have this mulberry tree. So we always eat from this tree. And this here is it has a great production. It is loaded. As you guys see, there's mulberry everywhere. She can't even eat half of this. She said, I need help to eat it. So I'm like, okay. So what I did, I am harvesting some right now. I did harvest some yesterday also. And I put some in the freezer. I cleaned them up, washed them, put them in the freezer. And you guys know my breakfast every morning, it's fruits. So these are low GI fruits as well because these are berry. So it's good for you. And it helps to lower cholesterol too, mulberry. Did you guys know that? Helps with preventing cancer. It helps with heart health. So it's a good source to add to your diet. If you're looking for low GI fruit, try out mulberry. And mulberry is very easy to grow because I'm growing a few plants in my backyard right now, and my tree is loaded as well. But mine is a later variety. Mine is later. Hers, and this tree bear all year round, right through the summer, all the way up to winter. And also, I've never seen her watering this tree before or fertilizing it, spraying it or nothing. So it is organic. So that's the best part. It's organic. You know where your food coming from, and it is not sprayed with any chemical or nothing. And the good thing is, if you guys see on the ground, it's mulberry under the tree. So the tree just fertilize itself. It's self-fertilizing. So it just dropped there and rot and everything goes right back in the soil. But this tree is loaded, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and just watch me harvest these mulberry. Look at these limbs. Everything is loaded. It's packed with mulberry. This is a blessing. And that's a lot of pounds on here. I'm telling you, this can feed you for the year, for the whole entire year. This can feed the whole community. And all we have to do, we just have to wash them and freeze them. Put them in the freezer. And we'll have berry for a long time. So if you guys have any suggestion on mulberry, please comment down below. But as I tell you guys, this tree never been watered. Only water it gets is when the rainfall or the sprinkler comes on. And the only fertilizer it gets is the fruits that fall from the tree. So mulberry is easy to grow. It's an easy fruit to grow. So, and you can grow it also in a pot. And that's a plane flying over. Because the airport is close. But you can see all that mulberry. I pick a whole container of mulberry today. So, and every day it ripes more, and they are extremely sweet. They're sweet. They're not tart. They're not sour or nothing. They're sweet. So only thing you have to do is pick the one when it's dark, all the way dark. You can see that anthocyanin in there. That's a whole bag of mulberry. What a blessing it is. I tell you, God provide these natural fruits for us. So it's nature's candy. If you need candy, go pick a mulberry. And I'm like a kid in a candy store. Look at the beauty. And this is my harvest, guys. This is part of my harvest. So this is my mulberry tree. And it's in a pot. I have it like in a probably 30-gallon pot. And it is loaded as well. Hopefully after the summer, I'm going to put it in the ground. And hopefully I'll be getting a good harvest from it, like this tree. These are some of the mulberry that we harvest today. As always, guys, thank you for watching. God bless and have a nice day.